The WhisperAir Repair is Panasonic's latest addition to the Breathe Well solution lineup.
Dave, you know you don't actually have to whisper, it's just the name of the product.
Yeah, I was trying to be funny.
We're sticking with the whisper. Anyway, Panasonic's WhisperAir Repair is the newest in the Breathe Well lineup. It is a spot air purifier that is a lightweight, efficient, and compact ceiling mount designed to help ensure indoor air is kept clean and fresh using Panasonic's patented nanoe technology. It minimizes the spread of pet-derived and other major allergens, including pollen, while also eliminating odors from carpets, furniture, curtains, and other fabrics. It provides purified, healthy air 24 hours a day with zero maintenance. It's also easy to install with no ductwork or filter changes required.
Don't forget that it's quiet and energy efficient. And for designers, we think it's quite stylish, considering it can be painted and is low profile, so it blends in with the decor of any room.
It's perfect for residential uses such as bedrooms, walk-in closets, powder rooms, mud rooms, and pet areas. It can also be used in light commercial applications, such as in educational facilities, hotels, elevators, medical offices, subways, restaurants, and other public spaces.
What a great addition to Breathe Well, the only complete air quality solution by Panasonic. Stay tuned for more about this 3-part suite of products across purification and circulation, heating and cooling, and ventilation and filtration to ensure the air in our homes, workplaces, classrooms, and businesses is always clean, comfortable, and fresh.